Hi guys, in this video I'm just going to go over the difference between the selection tool, shortcut is V, and the direct selection tool, which is the shortcut A. So when we're drawing our objects in any number of ways, we use the normal selection tool to manipulate and move the entire object. We can use it to move it around the screen as well as distort the shape and size just by using these handles on the outside of the shape. But if you want to do any more custom design, what you need to do is use the direct selection. So here I've got a couple of shapes, and so obviously to arrange my landscape I will use the selection tool. I might hold down Alt to make some duplicates and arrange this. I'll make the cloud smaller, make a few more of them. There's only one sun, but you get the idea. So use the selection tool to do that big picture arrangement. But if we want to go in and go, you know what, here's this shape and I want to modify that, I want to actually change these curves, what we need to do is use the direct selection tool. And so by clicking on the direct selection tool, whenever we have an object, what it actually does is brings up all of the anchor points, which are those corners or the centers of these handles with a little seesaw with a handle on each end. So the anchor point is what's in the middle and the handles are on the outside. So using the direct selection tool, we can actually select an anchor point and then we can click and drag and move the handle, the anchor point position. We can modify the handles, and so what we can actually do is go and customize and change these shapes. We could even, on a bigger shape, use the new functionality where you can play with the radius, and it will actually, that would play with the radius. But if we select, go undo, if we select an individual anchor point, we can actually control the radius on just that one that we're playing around with. So it actually allows just a greater level of detail and fine-tuning of your design. Alright, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos.